Good morning, good morning, good morning. My name is LouAnn and welcome to my library and welcome to my kitchen. So I know you're expecting a bread machine recipe today. Um, I decided not to do one today. This is the reason being it is a busy schedule with gardening going on and trying to do two channels all at the same time, and this is going forward. This is how I'm going to do the bread machine recipes. If there is a bread recipe project through the week, Monday through Friday, then I will not be posting a bread machine recipe on Saturdays. That is just to make it easier for me. So if the cookbook that I pull out that is monthly featured, if it doesn't have any bread recipes, then we will jump back into this cookbook there right here that we've been going through. I think that would make it easier on me because I do have another channel, Blackberry Rock Homestead, and I'm trying to get that monetized. Working my butt off, getting it monetized. Um, so going forward, that is how we're going to do the bread machine recipe that you usually get on Saturdays. Will I switch out and have the bread recipe project on Saturday? Probably not. It'll be somewhere Monday through Friday. I don't know. I don't have a particular day for that. So it will be whatever the theme is for today. Whatever I get done for that day. So that is just moving forward. That is how I'm going to do things. So I know some of these cookbooks, this shelf that we're doing right here, doesn't have bread recipes. I do believe the Tupperware book does not have bread recipes, which that will be sometime in July. So stay tuned for that. So see y'all later, and thank you for watching my channel. I might add, I hope you're enjoying all these yummy recipes that I am sharing with you on a weekly basis. So that's it for now. So God bless.